Hello students, how are you? From today video we are going to start the revision work. Okay, and in that part we will explain or we will decide to concept of 1.1. Okay, in 1.1 we have 2 to 3 questions which are very important. Okay, we will discuss that questions, and in the second part we will do the some questions from our sample paper. Okay, so the question is arise from the question number third. The question number third is that Srinagar temperature was 5 degrees Celsius. In Srinagar the temperature was -5 degrees Celsius. So the question is at Srinagar temperature on Monday was -5 degrees Celsius. So what was the temperature in Srinagar on Monday? Yes, it was -5 degree Celsius. It was -5 degree Celsius. And then it dipped by 2 degree Celsius. और फिर कितना डाउन हो रहा है वो 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस ड्रिप हो रहा है. तो सिंस टेम्परेचर ड्रिप्ड बाय कितने डिग्री सेल्सियस 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस. हाउ मच डिग्री सेल्सियस 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस. that is 2 degree Celsius. Temperature on Monday was this was dipped in the temperature. So temperature on Tuesday when Monday was -5 degrees Celsius and it is dipped by 2 degrees Celsius. -5 subtracted -2, the result is -7 degree Celsius. The result is -7 degree Celsius. As you have learned in the class 5th, class 6th, that minus are minus and the result will be adding. So the temperature will be -7 degree Celsius on Tuesday. Now temperature rose on Wednesday. Now what happened? The temperature increases in Wednesday by what? 4 degrees Celsius. By what? 4 degree Celsius. Then by how many degrees Celsius temperature rise or rose? It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday. Thus temperature on Wednesday it will be -7 degrees Celsius plus 4. The result is -3 degree Celsius. The result is -3 degree Celsius. Student, learn the try to understand the question. Question number 3 is that in the beginning the temperature was 5 degrees Celsius, then it is dipped by 2 degrees Celsius. Increase is -5 and -2. The result is -7. Then this is the result when the temperature rose by this. So -5 and -2. The result is -7. Then temperature rose on Wednesday by how much? 4 degrees Celsius. By how much? 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday is -7 plus 4. The temperature on Wednesday is -7 plus 4. The result is -3 degree Celsius. This is one of the important question in this exercise, or we can say that one of the good question of this exercise. And one more question is there that is related to the that is question number 8. This is based on the verification. You have to verify. What you have to verify? We have to verify -a minus b is equal to a plus b. You have to verify this. For this, what is a? A is 21 and b is 18. You have to verify, student, this one. How will you verify it? A will be LHS. We will take LHS. We treat this as a LHS. So a will be 21 minus 18. 21 plus 18, 9 and 3. The result is 39. And what is RHS? RHS is, students, what? 21 plus 18, 39. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. It is verified. So now what you have to do? You have to attempt these questions, okay? You have to attempt these questions, revise these questions. You can attempt the question number 3, 5, 5. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5. You can attempt question number 3, 4, 5 and 2. These you can revise it. Okay, students, this is the concept related to our this revision. Now, student, one more part is given. We have also given you a sample paper. In that sample paper, students, you have given the first 10 MCQ, 10, 3, 5 are the MCQs. Student, first 5 are the MCQs, and then next 5 are your short questions. So you can attempt yourself. If you have any problem, then you can ask to me. Now I am going to this question number 12th and 14th. In this question number 12 and 14, what are these questions? What is question number 12? Write a negative integers and a positive integers whose difference is -3. You have to write a negative integers and a positive integers whose difference is -3. So students, you have to write a negative integers and a positive integers whose difference is -3. This is the question number 12. Write a negative integers and a positive integers whose difference is -3. Now you have to think. The answer may be varied from everyone. सभी स्टूडेंट्स के आंसर में वेरिएशंस हो सकती हैं, but whose difference is -3. So how can you solve it? You have to think that the difference would be -3. How will you calculate it? Students, how will you calculate it? So we can take here -6 but we can think the difference is -3. One is -1 and positive integer is 2. When from -1 we will subtract the 2. The result will be -3. You can think any two numbers. It depends on you, students. Next one is, students, one more question is that 14th question. These are related to your sample paper 1, sample paper 3. Okay. a raised to power 5 upon a raised to power 3 into a raised to power 8. How will you solve it? Yes, how will you solve it? It can be solved. First, we will treat it here. When the base is same, you know that power is added. 5 plus 8 divided by a raised to power 3. It will be 13 and it will be 3. And when the powers are divided, what will be added? 13 minus 3. The result will be a raised to power 10. This question is related to our power and exponent. What law is applied? We applied the law of multiplication. M plus n. And what law is applied here? A m upon a n is equal to a m minus n. Any doubt, students? If these two are in multiplied, so we have applied the law of multiplication here. According to this law, when the base are same, power would be added. 8 plus 3, the result is 13. A raised to power 3, it will be a raised to power 3. 13 minus 3, the result is 10. The result is 10. This is the part we have attempted this. Okay, students. So we can do the till question number 15, carry the 2 marks. Is that clear? So you can attempt these 2 parts. Any doubt, student, till this? Students, any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask to me. I think, students, there is there should be no more problem for you. You can attempt this yourself. Is that clear, students? Thanks students. Thanks a lot.